Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today I'm going to do a fun little makeover that I got a couple cute products from Five Below that I wanted to share with you today. And I thought it'd be cute to do something small for Easter, just a little fun look. So I'm going to show you real quick what they have. They have these Lucky Charms makeup brushes. Lots of fun, so we're going to work with them today. They also had some lip glosses. These are like flavored lip glosses, two different kinds. So I grabbed those. I thought they were pretty cute. And then the fun part of this makeover is going to be the Lucky Charms eyeshadow palette. And they have some fun, funky colors that we're going to play with today. So I did do a short about everything that I picked up in the little section about what they offer. They have Peep ones, they have Peep spray, they have all kinds of stuff. And it isn't sponsored, like I said. My daughter works there, so I go in there from time to time. And when they have something cute, I thought it'd be fun to share. So let's get started and see where this look takes us today. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe. I'd love to have you come back and join me for more. So I already have my foundation and concealer on today, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the makeup part. They had a really cool nail polish in there made by Sally Hansen, and it's the Peep color in Cotton Candy. And I think it turned out really adorable on my nails, and I'm super happy that I picked it up. So since I have my foundation and all on already, I'm going to go ahead and start with my highlighter from Besame Cosmetics, and this one is in the rose gold. And I'm going to use the powder puff to apply it. And you just need a little bit along the cheekbones. I think this is an absolutely beautiful highlighter. I really like the tone to it. And it goes with so many different makeup looks. So here I'm just rubbing it in a little bit, trying to smooth it out. And then for fun, I'm going to go ahead and take one of the new brushes that I got and go ahead and blend it in a little bit more here. These brushes are super fun, and I love the bold colors on them. It's always nice to change things up when you're doing your makeup routine. Next, we're going to get into these fun colors, and the first one I'm going to be using from the Lucky Stars palette is called Shooting Star, and it's like a yellow color. And I'm going to put these on in a couple of layers. As you see, I'm going to start with the lighter one on the inner part of my eye. And the application is actually not too bad. Again, I'm using one of their brushes that came with their little set. Love colorful things myself. So I'm just going to put this on each side of my eye and blend it in. So pretty much when I get done this look, my eyes are probably going to look like a multicolored Easter egg. But I like working with fun colors and trying new things. So looking forward to seeing how this all comes together. So let's go ahead with our next color from the palette. And this one is called Wish. And I'm going to put this in right next to the Shooting Star color. Now, even though they're pretty pigmented, I did have to go back into the palette just a couple times to get a little bit more color on there. But I'm already liking the look of it. This is another fun technique in doing your eyeshadow. You can go up and down like this. And of course, it looks a little interesting while you're going along, but it's going to look really good with the final look. And these colors are also iridescent looking. So the next one I'm putting on is called Clovers. And I'm going to do the same technique where I just go up and down for right now. And then I'll show you how all this is going to come together. But I really like the shininess of this. I'm all about trying different eyeshadows and things, getting different looks. And then we're going to go in with our final one. It's like a purple color. And put that there to emphasize it. And you can see my eggs. Yeah, my eyes are really starting to look like Easter eggs, I think. So it's pretty cool. And this purple color is called Horseshoes. So you can see that there before I get ready to blend. And then I'm just going to take one of their brushes and go ahead and add all this together for one nice pretty color. And the brushes aren't bad for the prices. This was $5 for the set of them. Now, of course, they're not great high quality brushes, but they still do the job. So next I'm going to go with the smaller, tighter, angled brush. And I'm also going to, again, put the Horseshoes color on, which is the purple color. And I'm going to use this to kind of line the eye area and add a little color underneath and on top. So it is light, even though it looks kind of dark in the palette, so I kind of need to go over this a couple times. But I'm loving how the eye look is coming together. What do you guys think so far? Is this a look that you would experiment and try with? Then I'm just going to finish up here on the other side and match it out. Really pretty colors. Like I said, not bad for finding colors in a Five Below. I think we can make a lot of different combinations. There's colors in this palette that I didn't even use at this point yet, but I can do another fun tutorial with those really soon. The other good thing is none of this makeup is causing any itchiness to me at this point, so that is a definite plus. So what do you guys think of the eyes? Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in a little bit more, make sure everything comes together all nice and even. Next, I'm going to be using the Marykay mascara, and this is called Lash Love Panorama. And I do enjoy this mascara. I'm just going to apply one coat today since this is just a quick fun video. But as you know, I absolutely love marykay products, so I have a few more in here. The concealer that I used today was in the light from marykay, and I also used the CC cream in light from marykay that I love. I use their CC cream quite frequently. That was almost a tongue twister there. So even though I've stepped back from the lip business for a little bit, I'm still going to be incorporating a lot of their products. And the palette in my hand is also marykay. So as you could probably see from the couple little flips there, that a lot of my colors are running out because I do frequently wear their makeup as well. I'm always interested in a good quality makeup, but I like to share makeup in all forms and prices for everybody to be able to enjoy different looks that they can create on their own. So there's the mascara. So the next one I'm going to do is a lipstick liner, also from marykay, and this is in the light nude color. So I'm just going to line my lips here. The good thing about the lip liners is you can wear them alone also if you like the look and the color, or you can add a little bit of lip gloss to it to shine it up. Or you can layer it over top your lipsticks is another option as well. Next, I'm going to be using the marykay lipstick, and this is in Mauve Moment. And this is another really beautiful color. And this is going to help the whole look come together as well. I'm just adding a couple layers on here and smudging it in. And then next I'm going to do the fun part, and I'm going to use the lip gloss from the Jolly Rancher set at Five Below. And this is just going to add a nice sheen, nice and glossy over top. And it has a smell to it, some kind of like candy or something, but I can't pinpoint exactly what the scent is. but it's a lot of fun and I love how it's shining up my lips. So here is the look together. Okay, so here is the completed look. What do you guys think? Also, what do you think about the nail polish? I think it's super cute. It reminds me of those little speckled eggs. Even though it's called cotton candy, I still think of speckled eggs when I look at it. So overall, just a cute, fun look, some bright colors on my eyes, just to do a little something fun for Easter coming up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this fun video, click like and subscribe, and I'll be back to make more for you really soon. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day.